Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today we're going to have a look at a really interesting product that I bought in Finland on a recent trip that we did there. So I found this Lovi Wooden Creations from the forests of Finland. It's an absolutely beautiful decorative lavender blue flower. It's 15 centimeters wide. It's a wooden wall and tabletop decoration. As we flip it over, you can actually see different colors that it comes in as well. And the fact that you can mail it to someone, it's a flat package, you can write their address there and mail it away. So this product is made in Finland from eco-friendly birch wood. And let me tell you, the birch forests in Finland are absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and open this up and have a look inside. This company offers a lot of different kinds of designs and in different colors, and we'll have a look at those later. All right. Oh, interesting. That's not what I was expecting. So it's a piece of birch plywood and the pieces of this beautiful flower that we're going to put together are cut into it. Oh, and I see the inside of the package, there are instructions and they look pretty straightforward. So let's take this all apart and organize all these pieces. All right, this little tab says to actually cut here, but if I just gently pull here, the instructions come out really easily. This company actually started in the early 2000s in a small town near Oulu in northern Finland called Jali. They also have a factory shop in Oulu that you can visit, but if you can't make it to northern Finland, I'll add a link below where you can order online. All right, we're going to carefully separate all these little pieces. They come out fairly easily, just give them a little wiggle, and we will organize them by size and shape. Here's the last few pieces. I've organized all the little pieces, and the center ones are actually the ones you really have to pay attention to because they're all just slightly different and they fit into each other. So it's really important to know which ones you're going to be looking for, and you definitely want to have a good look at the picture on the instructions to make sure you're starting out with the right ones. So let's get started. We've got number 1, number 2, and number 3. We carefully slide these pieces together. We're going to make sure that we're not forcing anything and that they slide together fully. And once they're assembled together, they actually feel really well put together and tight. That looks pretty just like that. Wow. All right, moving on to the next step, we're going to use the base that we already made, and we'll be adding the pieces numbers 4, 5, and 6 to the next one. So let's slide this piece on, and it slides over really easily. And then you can see there's a slot at the top where the next piece is going to go. So we're going to add that on, and then we'll add this last piece to the center section. And that finishes off that first part. Boy, that looks so pretty just like that. All right, let's flip over these instructions and have a look at the next steps. Oh, we're gonna start adding the petals. So we'll start with the biggest ones. All right, this one has a little logo on it. So we're gonna slide that one in first here. And we're going on the outer edge. So you're looking for the little slots that are on the outer edge of the center portion. They slide on really easily, but they hold firm, which is really nice. So there shouldn't be any weird spaces between. It should look just like this. Just make sure they slide on nicely. And just like that, our first section is done. I'm gonna just actually flip that over because I want to see the logo on the back when I look at it. There it is. All right, we're gonna carry on with the next size down, and we'll start inserting those. So we had 6 of the big ones, and these ones are gonna go in between. So there's 2 different levels. You want to make sure you're the next level up for these ones. So they're going to be, between those 2 big petals. So line them up that way. These are actually really fun and relaxing to assemble. Not stressful at all. This is actually very easy as long as you follow those instructions. And I always like to lay out my pattern pieces so that I can see them, and I organize them by size so I know exactly which ones I need to pick up. Here's the last petal of the second row going in. Oh my goodness, that's just so pretty, just like that. This is one of my favorite colors. All right, let's put the other 2 rows in. I'll speed this up a little bit. You get the idea. Have a look at this. It is so beautiful. So remember, you can use this on a tabletop. You can hang it on the wall, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second here. It's beautiful. Wow. All right. Remember these little things that we took off? So you're actually not using the little pin shape thing, you're using this part here. And that's just going to slide right on like this. And it's going to make it so that you can put a nail in the wall and hang this from the wall. Wow. I am so pleased with this. I actually wish I had bought a few more. If you're visiting the Oulu area, be sure to go and check out the factory store. And if you're interested in purchasing some of these, check out my links below in the description for all the beautiful designs Lovi offers. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life, and I'll see you again soon.